I'm here with the chairman, the man in charge of everything, Uncle Abe. Quick one, tell us what this is all about and how can Ghanaians support?
Right, so this is another way of deepening the bilateral relation between Ghana and France, and this is also another way of promoting Ghana through music and in the diasporan market. So Ghana Music Awards France is nothing but one of the ways and strategies that Ghana is using to promote itself as a destination, one for music, one for culture, two for arts, tourism, and so on and so forth. And I think that this is going to give our artists an opportunity, to market themselves, sell themselves, and also get the opportunity to collaborate with other French artists. Her Excellency, Aunt Sophie Avi, is doing so much for our creative arts industry, and we need to hop up, we need to jump onto this opportunity, leverage on it, and also build that sustainable relationship for our industry.
And what is one thing different from this award scheme that we won't see in other awards?
And once you copy from the experience, every good artist copies, but the greatest one is the one who steals. We have stolen ideas from all the music award schemes we have, and we are correcting their mistakes and smoothing all the rough edges. So all that I can say is that we'll be outstanding, we'll be different, we'll be unique, and thanks to all the pace setters because they laid the foundation for us to build upon.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.